Hi, I got some Paracord from GI Plus and Rothco, and I got it from my local Army Navy store. And I'll tell you which one you should buy and which one you shouldn't. I'm also will be telling you about my Fury Tactical Handcuffs. Great brand. First with the Paracord. I got GI Plus, Type 3 commercial, 100 feet. And I got Rothco, Type 3 commercial, 50 feet. This was $445. This was $875. So GI Plus would be more cheaper than Rothco. And for the Fury Tactical Handcuffs, they're a great brand, full metal, strong. They're weld together. They have double lock. They have everything you want for these handcuffs. Serial number on a handcuff. And they swivel great around. So they come with 2 keys. They're universal, I think. The only bad thing about this is that about these handcuffs is that they don't have the keyhole on both sides, just one side, which if you put it the wrong way, it might be hard to take them out, the bad guy or yourself, if you put them on yourself. So Fury Tactical Handcuffs are good, but not that great. They exceed military standards, and you should buy GI Plus, not Rothco Paracord. Thank you.